Okay, hello. This is our lesson for today about grade 10 math lesson 2, which is another type of sequence, which is what we call the geometric sequence. And we have the following objectives. We have the number 1, determine the common ratio, and the other one is to find the end term of the geometric sequence. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called common ratio. Okay, we have an example of geometric sequence number 1. We have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, so observe the pattern. 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8 times 2 equals 16 times 2 equals 32. So the number we multiplied is what we call the common ratio. Next, we have number 2. We have 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. In this case, we're going to multiply it by, or if we're going to observe, multiply it by 1/2. So 32 times 1 is 32 divided by 2 is. Now we have 16 times 1/2. 16 times 1 is 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Then we have 8 times 1/2. 8 times 1 is 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And another one, we have 4 times 1/2. We have 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the common ratio is 1/2. Okay, we have the common ratio. What is the common ratio? How will you going to find the common ratio? To find the common ratio, or R, you divide the second number to the first number. Okay, so let's have this example, which is number 1 example. We have the 4 and 24. The first number is 4, the second is 24. Okay, so to find the ratio, we're going to divide 24 over 4, or 24 divided by 4, that is 6. So the common ratio is 6. Next, we have number 2, 12, and 3. So the first number is 12, the second number is 3. To find the ratio, we're going to divide second number to the first number. So we have 3 over 12. So we cannot divide 3 divided by 12. Then we're going to simplify by dividing both numerator and denominator by 3. So the common ratio is 1/4. Okay, next, determine the common ratio of the given geometric sequence. Okay, we have number 1, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. To find the ratio, we're going to divide 3 divided by 1 equals 3. The other one, let's try 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. And 81 divided by 27 is 3. So the common ratio is 3. Okay, now let's have number 2, 48, 24, 12, 6, 3. To find the ratio, we're going to divide the second number to the first number. 24 divided by 48. So we cannot divide, so we just simplify by dividing both numerator and denominator by 24. So it is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, let's try another one. How about 12 over 24? Okay, again, we cannot divide, so simplify. We divide both numerator and denominator by 12. So the answer is 1 over 2. Then another one, we have 6 over 12. So again, we cannot divide. So divide both numerator and denominator by 6. So we have now 1/2. The same with 3 over 6 equals 1/2. So the common ratio is 1/2. Okay, now it's your turn. Find the common ratio of the following geometric sequence. Okay, we have number 1, 4, 12, 36, 108. Number 2, 16, 8, 4, 1. And number 3, we have 5, 10, 20, 40, 80. Okay, now we can find the end term of the geometric sequence now. Okay, to find the geometric sequence or the end term of geometric sequence, we need the formula. Okay, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay, where the first term is what we call the a sub 1, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms. And now we have an example to find the n terms. We're going to find the seventh term of the geometric sequence 2, 6, 18, 54. Okay, so before that, we're going to identify what is a sub 1, r, and n. A sub 1 is 2, which is the first term. R is the ratio, which is 3. And n is the number of terms, which is 7. Okay, so we're going to substitute the values. We have the a sub 7 because we're going to find the seventh term of the sequence. It is equal to 2, wherein we have the a sub 1, then r is 3, and then n is 7 minus 1. Okay, next we have 2 times 7 raised to 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 2 times 3 raised to 6. Okay, note that 3 raised to 6 is by multiplying 3 6 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 729. Then now we have 2 times 729. The answer is 1458. So that is the seventh term. Okay, now you can try this one. You're going to identify the first term, number of terms, and common ratio. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So you're going to find the first term, the number of terms, and the ratio. Okay, so let's have another activity. You're going to use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1 of the geometric sequence to answer the following questions. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck!